Hi guys, Afsheni, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. So guys, it's been a minute since I posted a video, but today I'm back with another one. So I'm sorry about the noise in the background. It's weekend, people are actually enjoying themselves. But anyway, let's get into today's topic. So guys, today we are going to talk about how you can become a professional makeup artist. So makeup artists are beauty practitioners who offer general makeup services or work in prosthetic design. So the primary duties of a makeup artist include enhancing facial aesthetics through makeup, creating and also creating custom looks for their clients. So guys, you need to follow these steps for you to become a professional licensed makeup artist in South Africa. So you need to enroll in a makeup program at cosmetology school. So okay, the only way you can truly master your crafts, it is with an education. So that is where the cosmetology comes in. So okay, you will learn the skills and techniques you will need to find success in this profession. So okay, the cosmetology school, it will also help you to prepare for the state board exam so that you can become a licensed professional makeup artist in South Africa. So okay, now let's talk about the second thing that you are going to do. You need to build your portfolio. So you need to build your portfolio with makeup photos and other visuals. So your cosmetology portfolio showcases your talent and creativity. So you need to make sure that you use engaging visuals to highlight all that you can do. So for professional high quality look, please make sure that you take the best photos so that you can be able to upload them in your so that you can be able to upload your portfolio in your LinkedIn profile. So guys, for those who doesn't know what LinkedIn is actually a business and employment focused social media platform that works through websites and mobile apps. So you can download their app on Play Store, App Gallery. So I'm not sure about the guys who are using iPhones if it is available where they download apps. So please make sure you get that so that you can be able to find jobs if you are looking for jobs, and you can be able to to post your portfolio for this particular business that we are talking about. So the third thing is that you need to be social with clients and hairstylists. So you need to be able to communicate and socialize well, both in person and online. So okay, you can use social media as your digital platform for exhibiting your work and to build your clientele and also interact with hairstylists. So all right, okay, now is the fourth thing, right? Okay, the fourth thing that you are going to do, you need to network. Guys, networking is very, very important in each and every business that you can think of. So you need to network with people in the makeup industry. So, okay, in the beauty industry, it's all about who you know. Most of your clients, most of your work and clients will come from referrals. So networking is very, very important, guys. This works both in other business that you can think of. Networking is very important because that is where you'll get most of the jobs, and your clients will come from networking. So the fifth thing that you are going to do, it is to learn new makeup styles and trends. Your education should not stop on your graduation. So guys, you need to make sure that you learn, because the beauty industry is constantly changing with new trends going in popularity each and every day. So we see that in our sisters, they are doing different things on a daily basis, like each and every day or each and every season they come up with something new that they come up with new styles. So okay, since you will graduate from the cosmetology school, you can apply for jobs or you can start a business. So with this one, it goes two ways. So you can use LinkedIn, as I told you, to apply for jobs, or you can use LinkedIn when you start your business, so that you can be able to advertise your business through LinkedIn as well. So here's how much you can price your work. So guys, this is just my research. Please do your own research so that you can be able to price your work accordingly, and so that you can also be able to price your work according to your areas, because guys, things are the prices won't be the same in different areas. Okay, okay, let's talk about events, makeup. So that is a metric farewell, work functions, birthdays, bridal guests. So for 1 hour application, for a single face, that is for one person, so it's 600 rands. So for two faces, that is going to be 1000. So it means that it is 500 per person. So application of lashes is 150. So covering of scars and bruises is 50 rand. So that is 50 rand each scar or each bruise. So bridal makeups, so brides makeup on a wedding day, so you can charge them 750. So if the bride wants you to make up hair and plus one face, so that is going to be 1300. So if it's bride and two faces, it's going to be 1750. Bride and three faces is going to be 2250. So thereafter, price per face, you can charge around 500. So let's talk about photo shoot makeup. So okay, this is where you make a lot of money, because okay, half day photo shoot, you can charge from 1500 going up, and then for full day photo shoot, you charge 2500. So you can also offer makeup lessons to make more money and charge from 1000 rand going up. So this will depend on what you will be offering in your in your program. So okay guys, that's it for today. I will see you on the next video. Please enjoy the rest of your day. And guys, you can also become a professional makeup artist through learning from other professionals. But the problem is you won't be recognized in South Africa because you won't be licensed. But guys, please do enjoy your day and try this particular business and see if it's going to work for you. Goodbye.